Welcome to Stowe Car Company in Chelmsford. Stowe Car Company is an RAC approved by-shore retailer. That means all of our vehicles pass through a strict 82-point RAC check in addition to our own workshop inspections. All vehicles are supplied with a minimum 6 months RAC Platinum warranty in addition to 12 months RAC roadside assistance, both of which are included in the price. I do invite you to take a look at our hard-earned 5-star reviews on Google, Auto Trader, Car Dealer Reviews, and also directly on the RAC website. These reviews don't happen by accident. We work very hard to prepare our vehicles to the highest possible standards for a used vehicle. And that is the main purpose of these video presentations as well, so you know exactly what you're coming to view or indeed purchase. We do look to point out every mark or blemish. We don't hide anything at all. If we miss something very minor, it's certainly not deliberate. And we aim to only buy very nice low mileage vehicles with service history, and this vehicle is no exception. It's my pleasure to present today this Peugeot Rifter Horizon wheelchair adapted vehicle, so you can get a scooter or wheelchair in the back with additional passengers. The main purpose is to point out any mark or blemish, so without further ado, as I make my way along the driver's side, you will notice that there are no obvious marks, dents, dings or scratches. There are a couple of marks on the driver's side front alloy wheel. They're not noticeable, but they are there. But front wing, there's nothing to point out. No nasty cracks in the glass. No obvious dents in the roof. No scuffs in the mirror housing. No scratches in the glass or on the driver's door. Making my way inside, you can see that it's certainly not been abused. It hasn't had a hard life at all. No excessive wear on the seat base or the bolster. Smells fresh and clean. Looks exactly as you'd expect it to. Obviously, it's only covered 14,500 miles. It does have service history, of course. We wouldn't have it here if it didn't. Same on the door card. No nasty chunks out of the plastics or the trim. Couple of very light marks lower down where you enter and exit on the door shut, but you can't see it. But as mentioned, we do point everything out. As you can see, you've got your third seat there, and in the back it's not been excessively abused. All looks okay and in good used condition. Rear door, no dents or gouges, nothing obvious to point out at all, and the same on the rear panel. Rear alloy wheel, virtually unmarked there. No cracks in the lenses, no scuffs on the bumper corner. The ramp's in good order, hasn't had excessive amounts of use, as you can see, looks almost new. Same on the tailgate, nothing to point out. If I miss something very minor or stone chip or something, it's certainly not deliberate, but the overall condition is excellent for the age and mileage, as you can see inside as well. Plenty of room there as well, and everything looks as it should. So you have your winch here as well, as you can see. No cracks in the rear lenses, nothing to point out on the rear panel. Same on the alloy wheel. Can't see anything of a very slight mark on the alloy wheel, but I'm being very fussy because that's all I can find. No scuffs on the plastic moulding. Same on the passenger side rear door, nothing to point out to you. Same on this door here. It has just had a full machine polish yesterday. Let's bolt it up and it looks lovely. Finally, passenger side front. Once again, nothing to point out to you. No excessive wear. Representative of 14,000 miles in my opinion. Drives exactly as you would expect it to as well. Couple of tiny marks on the alloy wheel. And on the front end, I struggled to find any stone chips, but expect a few stone chips. There's one that's been touched in there. And expect a couple of very minor stone chips. There's another one there. So overall, a couple of stone chips, and that is about it. Overall, presents very well indeed. A very nice vehicle. You can reserve this vehicle on our website. You can also apply for finance there. But you can also do all of these things over the phone, and preferable, give us a call and we can give you the best advice. You can WhatsApp us, email us, or indeed pick up the phone. This is Stowe Car Company in Chelmsford, and this is the wheelchair accessible Peugeot Rifter.